sorry about that. My camera wouldn't be focusing, so I gotta restart it. Anyway, so again, my car is low. I have this 2x6, and here, and my battery, my impact wrench. And if your car has wheel lock, you will need that, and then your toolbox. So what does it come with? This is pretty much brand new, never opened. Of course, with that styrofoam. It comes with brake cleaner. Okay, and then this, by the feeling of it, it's a brush. And this is the reactor. Alright, I don't want to put it everywhere. And then one more. And the paint itself. And what type of color I'll be doing will be, let me show you, orange. Why I do orange, I will let you know the after result. Alright, so stay tuned. And just to let you know, no, I won't be going step by step too much to it, because it is hard for me to record, especially with my leg. Alright, and then what else comes, it comes with the car, and that's about it. Nothing else, just a little styrofoam. Okay, peace out. Alright guys, so I read the instruction real quick. It says pour the entire jar of reactor into the caliper paint and mix through it entirely, then let the mix react for 5 minutes, then start again. Okay, so pretty much I'm just gonna pour the entire in, and then I'm gonna stir it. It comes with the stirrer. Where is it at? Right there. I'm not sure what this, oh, this, oops, so right there. So I'm gonna pour it in and uses the popsicle stick. Alright guys, so it took me a while because my impact wrench wasn't working very well. Anyway, so I grab a shop towel to clean it. So the way you do it, you just spray this in. Of course you gotta shake it first. Oops. Anyway, yeah, and then after I just wipe it in, and that's it. Alright y'all, I finished. I kinda do have to quickly because of my right leg. Not bad. It's pretty good. Right now it's waiting for it to dry. I think about 30 more minutes or so. I'm gonna put in my wheels. So let's go. Here. Yeah, it's a brush on. It's not those spray paint because I didn't want to deal with the covering and stuff. But it's pretty good. It is enough to do all 4, including the back, but my impact wrench was out of battery because it was brand new and I forgot to charge it. So that's I have to do the old-fashioned method. Take up the lug nut, so it took me a while and I was panicking. And the paint is already getting hardened on the can. Yeah, I like it. It's okay. No one's really gonna see it very much. I just like the orange to contrast the wheel. Yeah. Again, I was in a rush. If you guys take your time, take your time. Do it slowly. Every 10 minutes, you let it dry. It'll be better than mine. It's pretty good. I'll take it. Oh, the reason why jack stand is a little bit unsafe because if you can see right there, you see how the asphalt literally that that thing really scared the heck out of me. But anyway, I'm waiting for it to dry. Looks good. Anyway, alright guys. Peace out. What's up y'all? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody doing okay. You know, with this coronavirus, hope everybody stays safe. Today's a hot day. It's extremely hot. I mean, it is, I believe right now it's 100 degrees, but the humidity is just, you know, it's just too much. And it is also hard for me to find time to record stuff, so I apologize if I haven't recorded anything recently. I've been trying to edit some stuff. The other day, which is yesterday pretty much, I had my car, which you all know, the Q50. I registered for a car show, and it was for cancer benefits. So it was a cancer awareness car show. It was really fun. It was a lot of cars, like a lot. There are from like there's Mercedes, AMG, GTR. There were some sleepers car, surprisingly, and there were McLaren 600 LT. So there was so many cars in there. I was very impressed. But I did, you know, registered. As you can see, so it was really fun, you know. It was really fun. But and anyway, so this video is actually about my the paint, which is the G2 paint. I'm thinking it's just a review, you know, how I like it and stuff. So the pros of the G2 paint, you know, it's very easy. It's pretty much how you paint like your house or your deck, if you have experience with that, or if you're better using your hand, pretty much like how you write a pencil. That's how easy it is. The one thing that I kind of regret of doing it is, not really a regret, I fell in my backyard, so you know, it was hard for me to concentrate, and it was hot. I couldn't do it in my driveway or my garage, you know, in my garage, because you know, we're renovating the place, so it's just I don't want to move anything in there. So anyway, let's go back to the pros. So again, the pros is it's very simple. You don't need to mask stuff unless you want to mask a few things like the rotor, but if you're very careful, you don't need that. Second is some people, I think I've seen a video, they use the spray, the high heat spray. They actually sorry, I'm bending down because it's hot. They actually have to mask stuff, and then, you know, you gotta worry about if it gets to the rotor. It was just a mess. So I do recommend this better, and make sure, please take your time. I can't stress this enough, guys. Take your time. I messed up on mine because I was rushing and then second, it was hot, and third, my leg, you know, I was limping and stuff. But that's one of them. So pretty much every layer, so every time you put a layer in, wait at least 10 to 15 minutes every layer, and make sure you jack up the car first, because I made a mistake by putting the reactor into the paint before I jack up the car. Well, I did jack up the car, but my impact wrench wasn't fully charged, as you can see, and I had to redo it again, and I had to drop the car down, and then use my I unbolt the lug nuts. So it was a mess. So I was in a rush, so or not, it will be looks much better. So the cons is I don't really see a cons. The only cons I think will be the brush. The brush is you have to. It depends on you. It came with a brush. It's very tiny. It's like they're this size. Just buy an extra brush. It should cost you like maybe $3-4 on your local hardware store. Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, Ace Hardware. Just spend the extra money because the one they have is terrible. So that's one of the cons. Now another cons is I think that's about it. I mean, there's not many cons to it because unless it comes very small, so it is pretty much it's a can, it's a small can, but when you look inside, it's not even a full can. It is pretty much like at least 60% of that can, or 65. Now many people think, oh my god, it won't be enough. It will not be enough for all four calipers, but it was more than enough. After I use it, I put 3 layers. I believe it was 3 layers on each calipers. 3 or 4 layers. I think it was 4 layers on each calipers, and I still have maybe 15% or 20% left. So you have more than enough, and that's pretty much it. And I'll show you in the closer video. So let me see. It is extremely hot, guys. So as you can see, my wheels has been cleaned. So this is the far away look. This is the far away look, and this is the zoom in. Bam! Very nice. On the rear, zoom in. Boom. Again, I guess a close-up view. So that's the close-up view. I can't really see from here. Hopefully it looks good. It's a close-up view. It looks really good, guys. You just gotta take your time. The key is to take your time. All right. The driver's side looks good. Far away. Zoom in. Now the rear, driver's side. Boom. Zoom in. Close-up view. Again, guys, take your time. Let me show you that I did this part. Again, it will look good if you take your time. It looks like it has a run, those paint run, but I don't think so. It looks really good. It looks really good. And guys, please, after you paint everything, you recycle. Please recycle your paint. Don't just throw it out there. It's not good for the environment. There should be a recycle around your area. It should be free. But anyway, the second part is right after you paint, make sure you wait. It says you wait 2 hours after you put your wheels on. I do recommend that, what it says in the box, but what I did, I waited an hour and I put my wheels back. And then please make sure when you apply, after you apply and you put back your wheels, make sure you don't drive the car within 24 hours. Make sure you don't drive, within the 24 hours. So do it maybe on a Friday night, or when you have nothing to do, or you have a second car, or do it on a Saturday night. So do it Saturday morning when it's not hot out. Really, please, when you're not, it's not good. It's hot. So anyway, do that. Or so pretty much so the paint can be hardened. You don't want to have any rundown, go see your wheels. It's a hot mess with that, so don't do that. And anyway, I'm gonna let you guys know. So I'm in medical field, so it is very hard for me to make videos. In the medical field, I'm tired after I came from work. I'm not physically tired, I'm mentally tired. So I have to worry about my family. If I meet them and stuff, so they don't catch the coronavirus. It's just a hot mess. So I always change. I have an extra set of clothes. I have a duffel bag in my car to change. So it is very hard. I just want everybody to stay healthy, and especially my friends. Anyway, I'm planning to make another video, but I'm gonna just upload separately. I do have a video which is a power mod. You will see what it is. I believe I will try and upload it in a few days, so please check my videos on that. And I also have other videos on the muffler delete and other stuff, so check on that. I did a flyby, so check the videos on that. I'm planning to also make the video highway in cabin noise, so that will be an upcoming video, so please check on that. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, that's great. Thank you for that. It'll help so much on my channel. I'm trying to help, pretty much you guys are my audience, and whatever you guys want, or give me a suggestion, let me know, comment below. I cannot read your mind. Anyway, stay safe and have a great day, guys. Peace out.